Yo, what's up? Well, just after Christmas. How you doing? Siema, dzień dobry. I'm Damian from the Monkeys, and this is the Sanur Center, I could say. Just behind me is the world famous, island famous ice creams, Gelato Massimo. Maybe many of you already familiar with this area. Anyway, I want to show you today the most busiest part of Sanur so far. This is the main roundabout in Sanur, just next to the Blue Bar. I mean, this is not Blue Bar anymore. It's quite busy, many tourists from other islands of Indonesia, obviously. Many people ask me about that, if it's busy for Christmas. Yeah, like this week up to 2nd of January gonna be busy. Every year is busy no matter of conditions, because many local people coming around, driving around, as you can see and you can imagine. Today a little bit on the street, a little bit by the beach. People eating ice creams everywhere because of Massimo here, Italian restaurant, ice cream and pizza. The best on island, some people said. Long time ago, I love it. Now I found the better places, but not paid endorsement anyway. Popular place, as you can see, imagine it's quite many people daily. It's actually still quiet. It could be more busier. I bet yesterday was busier during the Christmas. Quick point of view, here is the new Ritual Coffee. New kind of place, local place, come from Denpasar, moved to Sanur. Indian cuisine. Actually, maybe not many of you know that, but Sanur is actually part of Denpasar city. This not belongs to Badung like Kuta or Legian or Canggu, but it belongs to Denpasar, so different, little bit different rules than other cities. Anyway, I will show you around. Here we go, Trattoria restaurant. Long time ago, super popular place. Nowadays, just so. Few people around. Quite many people driving. Here long time ago was the dive company and center, like a shop, money changer, some cafe, British pub. This place is actually not exist anymore. It's totally closed. Somebody trying to build something there, something new, people cycling. And here, Daily Baguette. Well, I will promise you I will go here once to make a vlog deep inside for the French people, anyone who looking for good bread quality. Sandwich bar on the other side. There deep inside is the new bar. This is actually all new things. Started during the current situation, except Ryoshi at the front. Nice car, by the way. Ryoshi at the front. I think Ryoshi is open today. I'm not sure if they still play jazz music. Some girls they smile to me. One restaurant at the front, very famous place also. Great place for food. Sol on the bowl. We used to vlog in the Sol on the beach a few days ago, so I'm gonna show you the other side of the street, what I didn't show you when I walk here. Mostly shops, massage shops, silver, all it's closed. I could say it's quieter than I was expect, or as I was hope for. Taquisa, Mexican place, also open during the current situation, and here will be Bali made in Bali. This is just under construction, gonna be open very soon. They started construction like 2 months ago, and the rest of the shops are just simply closed. Alright, in the town was not as busy as I was expecting, so moved to the beach in the same area what I showed you, and seems like it's definitely much more busier already. Whoa! Careful, thank you. The path is under construction, nearly I broke it and fall down, so we have to be very careful, and I'm gonna show you a little bit around. So many people smiling to me today, I don't know why. Was a little bit raining not so long ago. Hello, how are you today? That's good, always happy vibes on Sanur beach. Probably better to show you than the on the street side. Anyway, big construction here. This is the last part of the promenade here. Some live music here. Check this out. Oh. Very nice. Some local people. Picture. Photo. Let's see how's the life. Let's see how it's a little bit on the beach. There will be, I think, new restaurant, or supposed to be restaurant, high tide, some people on the beach chilling around, eating lumpia on this side. Here it looks like a slightly busier next to the seagrass. People selling lumpia and stuff like this. Yeah, a little bit busier here today, as expected. That's good. We will see what else we can show you today. world famous La Playa for every expats community. This is probably the busiest place. They have a nice food also, and as expected it's quite busy. People running, people jogging, people enjoying. La Playa, La Playa, all is good. Everybody enjoying. Hello! Have to be careful how you're walking today. It's actually quite weird. Yo, what's up, Mr. Mark? Hello! Merry Christmas! How you doing, buddy?
What's that? I thought every day in Bali's Christmas.
Every day in Bali is Christmas. Okay, take care, guys. Enjoy! This lovely couple always, every Friday, every Sunday, I think, in La Playa. Enjoying the Christmas. Quite busy here actually now. Heading into Hyatt direction. Here where I'm walking around, just next to La Playa and between Hyatt, over here, where is so many people, this is actually the best place for my future restaurant cafe. But that's only dreaming and only plans. I don't even know if I could, even if I will have a lot of money, if I could have rights to build something here or open even small warung. Probably not. I think this belongs to Hyatt, but you never know. But I think it was a great place. It could be a great place. You can comment below if you ever would like to having a copy in the Monkeys place. Always free autographs for you guys. One day I will be famous, don't worry about that. Anyway, construction, new promenade just next to the Hyatt, Christmas tree, little life in Hyatt. It's also quiet in Hyatt. Construction just here. I think I'm not allowed to walk here, but well, it's alright actually. A little bit of the beach. Also, the beach next to Hyatt Hotel, like, well, this one obviously here is the best public beach in Sanur, because the Hyatt is cleaning and taking care of it. But anyway, the beaches in Sanur all is clean, and water also. And look at this one, actually no machinery is cleaning this beach, and this beach is actually just simply naturally clean, not like in West Coast. This is already southeast coast, east-south, and it's just simply clean. Even somebody left some plastic here, but check this out, the water is just simply very, very quiet, very clean, as you can see. And this is just because there is the only Nusa Penida island in the background, Nusa Penida, and Australia, obviously, no other islands. Just now you know no other islands. I mean, Uluwatu is somewhere there, and there is completely ocean, and there will be East Nusa Tenggara maybe. But the most rubbish is coming from the west. So if you wanna have a clean and nice and friendly and low tide, you should consider the east and south part of Bali over the west. However, they clean on the west also, so it's not so bad. Anyway, Sanur vibe. Alright guys, she's gonna enjoy my radler. It's going hot, gonna have some lunch. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya.